Welcome to our channel. Today we how to register for CoinBase, complete guide step by step clearly. To begin, open your preferred web browser. Type coinbase.com into the address bar and press enter. Once the page loads, look for the Get Started button in the upper right corner and click on it. You will be directed to the registration form. Enter your first and last name in the designated fields. Next, provide your email address. Create a strong password that meets the security requirements presented. Confirm your password by entering it again in the next field. After filling in your information, click Create Account. You may be asked to verify your email address. Check your email for a verification link from CoinBase. Click on the link to confirm your email address. Once verified, return to the CoinBase website and log in using your email and password. Next, you will be prompted to enable two-factor authentication for added security. Follow the instructions to set up two-factor authentication via your mobile device. After enabling two-factor authentication, proceed to fill out your profile information. You will need to provide your phone number for account recovery and security. Enter your phone number and select your country code. Click Send Code to receive a verification code via SMS. Check your phone for the code and enter it on the website. Complete any additional personal information requested, such as your date of birth and address. Now you will need to verify your identity with a government-issued ID. Select the type of ID you will use and follow the prompts to upload a clear photo. Once your ID is successfully uploaded, wait for CoinBase to process your verification. This may take a few minutes. Once your identity is verified, you can proceed to add a payment method. Choose between bank account, debit card, or other available options. Follow the instructions specific to your chosen payment method. You may need to verify your payment method through small transactions or additional information. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.